One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When a rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know. It's like a dream I dream, Peter Pan for you, for you. Oh my, oh oh, la 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 la, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight. Night, singing far into night, and it's gonna be a sleepless night. Someday soon I'm gonna tell the rainbow I'm in love. Ice cream cones, candy bars, no one else compares with you. Oh my, oh oh, la 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 light, bright moonlight, only one that I take from starlight. Night, singing far into night, and it's gonna be a sleepless night. Light, bright moonlight, silent night, you say goodnight.
So this is my outfit for today, all white. So ang agenda natin today is maging isang expensive rich tita vibes, ganun. So ayan, all white. Sana hindi ako madumihan kasi it's so rainy ngayon. Tapos ganding suot ko. Grabe ba? So inaantay na lang namin yung pinsan namin sa loob kasi we're going to his house kasi tapos na kami dito sa hotel. And we're going to go in Hong Kong today. And yes, I'm so excited. What's it? Oh, wow, thank you. Tapping. Yeah, it's so yummy. Yeah, it's like a popping candy. Really sa akin. So yummy. Okay, thank you, Adam.
Bye. Oh oh.
Nafe-feel ko na yung init. Although hindi siya kasing init ng Pinas. Pero, ang init niya. My gosh. Ayan, para kami nasa Pinas. Actually, nasa UP Diliman kami. Uy! Sa Balara. Uy! So, we're here sa house. And magpapahinga lang siguro. Tapos, aalis na rin kami mamaya. Gagala. Somewhere. So, yeah. So, update guys. We're going to Hong Kong na. Mag-ano na lang kami. Ayan, nag-aantay. Kasi bumili ng Sunday. Sila kayo. Bakit? Ice cream kami. Because something happened. Ang malas. Because kanina minamanifest ko na sana hindi madumihan yung damit because I'm wearing all white. But then, we bought some ice cream and then natuluan yung pants ko! Yung trouser ko. Like, look. Parang ako nagkasugat. I think this is the worst day of my life. Ang OA. Pero kasi, it's not aesthetically pleasing. It's not aesthetically pleasing. Oh my god. Wala na. Ayoko na. Endin natin to. Hi! So, we are going to Nike. Kung ano man gusto yung tawagin. Pero ayan ako, you just do it. Nakita ba siya? Hindi ata nakikita. Ayun. Oh my god. So, titingin daw kami ng mga sapatos doon. And yes. Oh my god, look. Papasok kami here. Wow. Ang daming tao. Ako makaano. Nahiya ako mag-vlog. Ganda ng mga damit dito. Like, just look at this. Ang ganda. So pretty. Pero wala naman akong bibili dito. Tingin lang like window shopping. Ayan. Even the shoes, like, basta Nike. Ang gaganda. Bet ko nga din to. Ganda. It's like a rubber shoe that is a slipper. This one. Ito, bet ko din. We're going up. We're going down. We're going up. We're gonna go up. No, ganda! You know, pumasok lang talaga ako dito para magpa-aircon kasi ang init sa labas. Mas spacious dito compared sa baba. And more likely on shoes. Grabe, ang dami. Wow. And we're looking at the shoes. Ang dami, oh. Mga nakang-display hanggang doon. Yes. Just look. Ang gaganda ng mga sapatos. The kid ones are cute shoes. Doon ako maraming nabitan. Like, look. Kaso hindi siya kasi sa akin. Tumitingin din si daddy. Yan. Hindi siya atik eh. Collection of shoes. Kaya, perfect siya dito. May pakaragaya pa nga. Ay, kabayad mo na eh. Ay, kabayad mo na eh. May pakaragaya pa nga. Pabig sila yun. Kabayad mo. Bibili na si kuya pati si daddy. Kasi bibili sila. Ayan na. Mayabang.
Nakanan ako. Ang babae din na.
So, pupunta kami sa baba because I'm going to choose a shoes. Libre ako ng tatay ko. Ano lang naman kasi, under 399 Hong Kong dollars. Hong Kong ba? Macau dollars, but something like that. Yoo-hoo! Ang ganda! So, they go. Meron pang high-cut doon, nabitan na. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Ang ganda! So, nag-change ako ng sapatos kasi too plain daw yan. May mas ganda kami nakita. Pero same price. It's also $399. Hong Kong. Hong Kong ba Macau? Dollars is na yan. Tapos ito na siya. Ganda! Oh my god. Okay. Yung shoes namin. Yung sa kanila. Ang daming buff. Okay na. sa airport. Sa bus terminal lang ba ito? Sa second floor kami. Window seat. Wala. Sa second floor kami ng bus. Kaso, hindi ako makapag-video. Ang labo. Dito kami galing na bus. Doon kami sa may second floor nakasakay kanina. So yeah, we're here waiting for the bus. So ayun yung Hong Kong Airport. I think that's Hong Kong International Airport. Pero not sure. Nanggaling kami sa loob kasi dumaan pa kami sa immigration. Tapos we're just waiting for the bus. We're taking the 822 bus. But yes, pupunta kami sa Kowloon City. Parang matanda lang. So we're just gonna walk in our hotel. Lakad na naman. Lakad. Never-ending lakad. Plaza 8 degrees, the name of the hotel. So ayan, mag-check-in na kami.
What's your name?
Wow, so nice.
The bingi.
Nandito na kami, ang ganda. Yan. Excited, so excited. Ang ganda dito. And the place is so good, so nice, so good, and it smells nice too. Tabingi daw. Kasi pas lunch yung hotel kasi pababa, hindi ko sure, pero parang pababa nga yung surface nitong hotel. We're here at the back floor. Nantay ko lang sila. And then we're gonna go to our hotel room. Okay. And then we're gonna eat dinner. Kakain na tayong dinner ma, di ba? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So we're going into our hotel room. Parang lalaki naman pala ng room dito. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan. So, this is our room. Ayan. Yung kama namin. And then, this is the bathroom. Ayan. So, maliit lang siya, pero ayan. Ito yung shower room. Pero, maganda siya. Ayan. Pwede na. So, yes. So, we are going outside to eat dinner. Ayan. Kain kami sa labas. For this week.
May kanin. Ayan o, may.
This is this Ang laki ng hipon. Hipon ba tawag dito sa malaki? Daddy, anong tawag sa malaking hipon? Di ba may tawag?
Tiger.
Di may tawag dito. Tsaka ba tayo? Tsaka normal. So guys, we're finally home. We're done eating dinner. So, and that's the end of our day. So, I guess see you tomorrow. And we're all tired. So, kailangan na namin mag-rest. So, so yeah. See you guys. Bye.
Thank you.